stopping at a green light?
Money.
Come on, spin. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that we make me. Let's talk about
Somebody go, dumbasses. Jiminy Christmas.
This one.
Somebody go. Idiots. Go, and I go. Thank you.
When I said an M-A-S, a T-E-R, a G with a double E, I said I go by the unforgettable name of the man they call a Master G. Well, my name
out in the street, out in the playground, in the dark side of town. Oh, we gonna rock down to Electric Avenue.
What are you doing, stupid?
be shy, don't be scared. You don't have to
You're on the wrong side.
If you answered yes to any of these questions, Arizona State University is the perfect school for you. Arizona State University offers over 150 highly ranked degree programs 100% online. You'll earn the same degree as you would on campus from wherever you are on your schedule. Plus, ASU Online accepts most transfer credits. For information, text ASU to 35517.
That affected the outcome of the most basic things, the most important things in our lives. The question is, what is your sexual orientation or gender identity? And the answer is the difference between keeping your job or getting fired. The answer is the difference between staying in your home or getting evicted. The answer is the difference between receiving
Waiting on. What are you waiting on? Go! Go! Stupid idiot!
Here comes success over my hill. Here comes success. Here comes my car. Here comes
Stupid!
96.9 The Eagle.
Dude, you can't be in that lane!
Wait.
Idiot! No, you're fast too. This school right here. It's in the lane, has the right turn lane, signal on, and then somebody just put the other street on. You better not hold up the traffic. Turn! Oh, you're in one of those, huh? No, did you hear what he said, Chris?
What? Whoa!
Jesus, fool!
They said I.
Wow.
Huh?
Didn't even bother to stop at the stop sign.
Phone disconnected.
Let's see, will they stop? Will they stop? And no, they will not.
They need to put a fries right here.
That used to be Safeway. What the fuck are you doing, dumbass?
What does it make me smell or drink of?